look at this.
What are you doing then?
I'm fixing Harmony's phone.
This is Harmony phone.
Yeah.
This is iPhone.
Look, there was sound from here.
Yeah, beep sound, right?
Because electric can go here
Yeah.
with plus and then with minus.
Yeah. You're awesome, Eden.
And right here,
Hmm. Wow, cool.
and right here,
Yeah.
and then
Right here. Wow.
oh,
Look at the monitor.
here.
Wow,
Then
you
we
are the
can do like this.
you are the really nice engineer.
It's making a very big sound, okay? Yeah, this is electric.
Yeah. Okay. Let's repair the Harmony phone together. Okay.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Bye.